Hi chat! Welcome to another stream. How we all doing today? It is not our usual stream day. It is Sunday, March 24th of 2024. Got 224s there, look at that. And welcome back. Yeah, we got the shark shirt today, indeed. We have one notification replay from S1Cube, who has reset at 35 months. Good to see you again, S1Cube. I hope you're doing well, and thank you for your continued support. Appreciate you stopping by. Let's see. DDoS and Valdathas were here before the stream started, but JJMC was first today. Hello. DDoS was also still here, as is Valdathas. It would be funny if he came here before the stream and then peaced out. Marsha's here. Look at all those chicken emotes. How you doing, Marsha? Welcome back. Rabbit Aaron, welcome to the stream. Anthony mate, love your videos. Inspired me so much. I'm glad it did. Graham's iPad is also here. Sunday surpriser, indeed. S1 Cube, hello. Woosa, good to see you again. Rabbit Aaron says, been using Python for more than 10 years now. Any suggestions for how to contribute back to CPython? Would love to learn and help. Applied to Django before it got rejected. I'm not familiar with Django, but I don't know. There's like a bajillion issues on CPython. The problem with CPython is there's not enough people to review stuff and get it merged. So even if you do happen to fix something, it might be... I was literally just looking at this for the stream. It might be fucking years before it gets merged. Because, yeah. I don't know. They're not great about reviewing things or having ownership or really, you know, running a project of that size. But that's the way things go. Sarab, hello. Cat Peasant, hello. Good to see you both again. Fixed Jake's also here. How you doing? Good to see you again. So the plan for today's stream is to pick up where we left off last time on a couple of things. First was this, or don't check out the branch by name. I pushed this to dev and it failed for some reason, but then I pushed it again and I think it worked the second time. So we're just gonna play around with this, make sure it works, and then send it off to the stars. I also reported this head bug to GitHub. And the first guy I talked to was was a little dense. He was like, I can't reproduce. And I was like, here's the fucking steps. And he was like, still can't reproduce. And then I linked him this and he's like, oh, okay, now I can. It's like, well, I don't know why this thing made it easier for him to figure out, but 50 months. Holy shit, Ethan. Hello. Welcome back. Good to see you again. 50. That's a big number. Damn. Cosmos Gamer, hello. How you doing? Welcome. Beldat says hi typing. Yeah. So anyway, I think this succeeded because we got our little check here. But I wanted to actually do the thing and see if it broke. 10 stream streak, says DDoS. Damn. That's wild. Hope everyone's having a chill Sunday. Mine's going alright, yeah. Our hot water kettle is on its last breath. But other than that, it's going well. Alex Sir Safe, welcome to the stream. Hello. Or Safe? I don't know. Everyone says we use Sentry quite a bit. Some of our project keeps emitting exceptions and used up all of our quota. Yeah, that's a common complaint. I don't really work on the product though, so I don't have any good advice there. But let's make the thing that broke it before. By naming this branch head. And pre-commit.ci previously crashed and was unable to update this pull request. So let's see what happens. I have a Sentry nonprofit account. The quota we get is actually nuts. Yeah, the nonprofit quotas are pretty nuts. There's actually a Sentry mode where there's no quota. I actually wish that, so Sentry itself has a no quota account, and I kind of wish that we inflicted a quota on ourselves because we are so bad about using our errors. People will just like let an error scream into the void. Oh, what? That seems not right. That seems not right. Let's look at the logs, see what happened. This is what it's supposed to be. No, CTL. Is it dash U? Yes, of course, we don't have less installed. Bitvestment, hello, welcome back. I'm surprised it says conflict here. No entries. There we go. Do not apply. Conflict. How the fuck is it a conflict? That's weird. Ethan, I should ask you or Chris. I mean, either of us works. Chris is more likely to say yes. Jake says we need to use performance units more. We're at 3,500 out of 10 million quota. Yeah, I feel like this is my personal opinion. I feel like center performance is not that useful. Drugs. Everybody here and says, see, mate, would love to say, but it's almost 4 a.m. down in Australia. Oh, well, get some sleep. Thank you for stopping by. All right, I'm just gonna try this again. I don't know. Something weird happened here. Something very strange happened here. Kind of curious what happened. I don't even know how to. I guess we could run it locally. I don't think it's gonna have permission to do the things. Okay, so it is stopped. Inactive dead. There used to be coloring here. I don't know what happened to that. Is this gonna work? I feel like this is gonna crash for some reason. No route to host. Oh. I gotta turn off all the auto scaling stuff. I still think this is not gonna work because my user is read only. D-Dash says, I'm beginning in Python 80 tutorials. this one. Yeah, check out that video. Zenek, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. The book by Guido. I don't. Guido does not give good advice. I would not read his book. Fies, hello, how you doing? Ezekiel's also here. Hello, hello. Okay, it seems to actually be working. So let's see if we do this. Figure a run. Yeah, we can't actually do things, which is predictable. It did actually give us the queue item though, which is surprising. This is a right action. Well, we can do this the slow way, which is just manually doing everything. Oh, you know what? I could just run this on the host itself. Yeah, I could just do that. Stonkfish, hello, hello. How you doing? Bop, 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 bop. Yeah. Is the PC worker? Actually, I don't remember which one. It's a user service? Oh no, it's PC worker. Yeah, we're just gonna mess with the code here. Transylvania boy, hello, hello, welcome back. Should be able to look at this. Oh. Oh, right. And probably need more environment variables now that I think about it. Yeah. Other things we need. Adria's default region. This is the directory. That's very strange. What is the commit ID? Oh, not here. Commit ID here is B2D1. That's not what we have checked out. B2D1. Okay, so clone. Yeah. Oh. Ah. Okay, so because this is head, the fetch command is wrong. I think this has to be ref/head/heads. Quick stupid question. Did you write Bambi using curses? Yes. Cosmos says, why do you use 2 separate keyboards instead of one bigger one? It's really just one. Morchef says, what are you working on, man? Hey, the bot's good there. Does having a project portfolio help? I mean, I don't have a real portfolio, but people just look at your GitHub, which is essentially the same. 140 Doritos and Mandrill Dev, thank you both for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Porkio YT says, have you ever made a Discord bot? Yes. Dev Merkai says, new to the stream here. You use Nano to edit code. Why not Vim? I get timed out and think about what you've told me to do. Don't tell people what to do. Don't do that. That's not fun. What? What? What are you giving me a look for? Elfenrod! Hello, hello. Okay, so I think I need to run a different fetch command here. Get fetch depth equals 1, fork refs. Yeah. Versus if I did this without this. It's gonna be that. Okay. It's music says can't tell you to open more buttons. Yeah, you're subbed. You got a gift hub. There is a way to open buttons. Yeah, it's true. Okay, so we gotta change this. Can you make a pull request from a tag? I wonder. Top plus streamer after 5 gift subs. That's not quite how it works, Stonkfish. Can you make a pull request from a tag? I guess we can try it and see what happens. But anyway, this is fucked, so do I have one of these? I'm gonna close this and delete the branch too. Did that actually work? I feel like last time it didn't work. I don't know, it seems to have worked. What is this WAT branch? Was this from a video? It's probably from a video. Empty commit. Goodbye. I'm wondering if pre-commit.ci will try and push to a tag. I don't think that happens, but let's just make sure that it can't happen. Uh, oh. Okay, so it lets you compare, but it doesn't let you create it. I wonder if the API lets you create it. Can you merge a tag into a branch? Yeah. And oh wow, their example still says master. Just in case this accidentally prints out my token. Field head code invalid. Yeah, must be a branch. Must have to be a branch. Okay, good to know. Okay. So is it ref's head? Ref's head's head. Alphenrod, thank you for the resub at 25 months. Thank you for your continued support. It's good to see you again. Cat Peasant says, assigned for a job interview candidate. Nice, nice. Sweet. Dogfish says, I'm going to Battle Creek in a couple weeks. I'll wave nonsensically as I drive through Ann Arbor. Nice. What you doing in Battle Creek? Those damn refs' heads? Yeah. Yeah, this seems good. State bowling tournament. That's kind of cool. I'm fucking garbage at bowling. uh. Okay, let's try this instead. Cool. Okay, well that's chugging along. Actually, wait. We have to make it chug along first. We haven't gotten to chug. No chugging has occurred yet. We gotta let this do its thing. Hey, cool. You can't make a PR from a tag. You used to be able to make them from arbitrary SHAs, and so you could bypass some checks somehow, if I remember correctly. Ratma, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Stonefish says, I actually probably will take 96 and 69 instead of 94 and not go through Ann Arbor. But then I couldn't make a joke. Yeah. Yeah, 96 to 69 is probably more direct from you. For you. Yeah. True. Okay, this is that. Employ dev, please. Alright, so on to the next thing. This should be a one character change and a little test. What I like about GitHeads is people searching for how to fix a detached head. Yeah. Just slap it on there. Yeah. Be a pretty easy fix. And we'll write a little test case. Test features Schlex join test. No ops. Right, yes. Import Schlex wat.join. Not join with face. Do. And if we run that test, it should fail. And if we go to here, and do this. It'll be pretty good. You know what I learned is kind of nuts yesterday? Black only has, actually, I've been meaning, I wanted to make a video about this. I was bored. I was looking through the Black issue tracker. This one. I saw the title of this, and I was like, oh, I bet I know what's happening here. I was like, oh, unrelated test case fail when the number of tests change. Like, this screams test pollution to me. Hey, Bogey says, early access video. It's true. I haven't even recorded it yet. It's pre-recording early access. It's super early access. But yeah, the title of this was just like, oh yeah, I'm almost certain I know what's going on here. And like they have like a really good reproduction, which is really nice too. So it's like very easy to play around with this. But I was like, I'm gonna throw detect test pollution at this. My tool that I made to find test pollution. Oh, why is this? Oh, did YouTube change their thumbnail format? Or did GitHub invalidate their permalinks? Bad signature. Spooky? Well, I'll have to fix that at some point. But anyway, I decided to throw detect test pollution at it. First, I got the list of tests. Standard pointer? You changed your name. Who are you? Welcome back, standard robot. Why'd you change your name? But yeah, anyway, I used detect test pollution and it found a polluting test. So it did exactly what it was supposed to do. Brand new person says eyes up right. Lofkey's also here. Hello, hello. How you doing? Found this other test, which polluted with the. Oh, I guess it doesn't say which test it was, but the failing test here. And sure enough, if you run those two tests together, then the second one fails. On precisely the same spot. Blah 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 blah. I was like, it's probably a cache. We'll just comment this one out and see if it passes, and it does. So I found the pollution and the fix. At least you didn't change your color. True, standard robot's still pink, so we're good there. And then I found the commit that caused the bug, and then they fixed it by removing mocking, because mocking usually a problem. Yeah, just do the actual thing instead of trying to fake it with mocks. Almost always the better solution. Yeah, like this is very complicated when wow, it's so much easier. But yeah, I was meaning to like record this down because it was kind of like a cool little use of the tool. And a nice little demo that even large projects make this same mistake over and over and over. But the long and the short, the reason that I went down this rabbit hole in the first place is pyupgrade has like 1,000 tests, which is great. Black has like 250, like not very many, or like 350. Somehow pyupgrade has like 3 times as many tests as Black, and I feel like Black is infinitely more complicated. But anyway, that's that. Video idea on how to make good tests. True. I also still need to do my like monkey patching video and then mocked up patch video and cool. Why write tests when tests are prone to fail? Don't say that too loud. Some people at work would take you seriously. Let's see. Can't break tests if there aren't any tests. That was the strategy that the release engineering team at Yelp took. They literally had this initiative, and I think this is one of the stupidest things that I've heard, so prepare yourselves. They had this initiative where we had this monolith called Yelp made, and it had bajillions of tests, like 100,000 tests. And a good percentage of them were flaky. And someone on the release engineering team got this genius idea that we should just find all the tests that haven't failed and turn them off. Because if they never fail, they're not useful tests. Was their logic. It's like, yeah, let's take the only tests that are functioning properly and turn them all off. And then we only have flaky tests. Because the flaky tests must be the useful ones, right? Truly insane. When function input, then return expected actually equals function input. Yeah. But sometimes that test can fail. I've seen that exact test fail before, where the actual implementation is non-deterministic. Live coding, hello. Yeah, they only left the flaky ones. Nope, you did not miss here. Truly crazy. Not schlumped. Hello, lum. Yeah, Devin Merkai, the problem between what you did and what you're alluding to now is you started with why aren't you doing something else? When really all you need to say is why are you doing what you're doing? What? 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 Lucy says, I said it before, but I don't like writing types and tests, but when I have them, oh boy. It's true. Balnatha says, bonjour. Why are you not better at bowling? Because I'm sober. Say what again? I dare you? I double dare you? Sunday, Bunday? Buns out, it's Sunday. Standard Romance says, greetings, Tina. But with spaces. Been a while since you've been W3 schooled? That's true. I have not been W3 schooled in a while. Yeah. Do. Oh, I don't have auto merge. Oh, I don't have branch protection. That's probably why. I'd rather be W3 schooled than Geeks for Geeks. It's true. Although both of them end up being a drink. Goddamn Windows always takes longer than everything. It hasn't even started yet. Ridiculous. I should block this via my pie hole. Yeah. I think Google will still get you with them with their AMP bullshit though. Oh, I forgot to 9:36. Experts Exchange? Experts Exchange used to be good. Experts Exchange was Stack Overflow before Stack Overflow. They just picked a really unfortunate domain name. I used to have so many Experts Exchange points back in the day. And if you got enough, you actually got paid. I think that's probably why they went under, because they couldn't really afford to pay everyone. But tech tip points, oh man. Why am I streaming on a Sunday? Because I didn't stream on Saturday. Oh god, that name? Yeah. Yeah. I feel like they did not think about it when they made it, and then they were like, oh shit, it's too late to fix it now. I can probably merge this now, given that my pie is new enough, but maybe I'll wait a little longer. What are you? Oh. Oh, look at my password manager. I did. Look at that. Oh, can't spell. Grab our PyPI token. That in there. Learner, hello. How you doing? It's your birthday, Zazab. Happy birthday. 800 babbies away from 300k. Dang. Okay, that's done. Is this not finished? It must have failed. Although I got a notification. Oh no, it's still chugging away. Yeah, sometimes that takes a while. 37 orbits around the sun. Congrats. Congrats. Okay, so we're still waiting on this. This is done. That I should make a video about. Alright. Video idea. Okay. We got this one, which is that fail fast does not work as intended in pre-commit. It is slightly incorrect. Be pretty easy to fix though. Cool. Just fail fast. Let's fail fast per hook. Yes, not quite right. How do I test this better? Yeah. I think we can take this. We can adjust this one. And we can actually just do append. So we can just use the meta repo. Fail fast. True. Oh, actually, we should just make a new test. Devin McKay, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Have you ever text editors pen and paper? Erasable pen, of course. Are you excited about Pokemon Legends ZA? I am excited for that. Meat Sauce, hello, hello. How you doing? Ebo Ran FPS, thank you for the follow. Welcome to the stream. People local. Oh, you're just gonna do meta, right? What am I doing? What language am I writing? Okay. And it fails, good. Is that it? It seems too easy. It's the wrong variable. Is it because it's in Franchland? Sure, yeah, that's why I'm excited for it, Beldathis. Okay. Is Pokemon Legends not pizza themed? Oh, pizza sounds so good. Fix per hook, fail fast. Do not fill on previous failures. Pretty easy fix there. Boop, boop, boop. Boop, 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 3167. Oh, and great timing. This just did its thing. Which means we should be able to do this now. I also wanted to make sure that it succeeded. It did. Good. Kicked off the run. Well, now I'm confused. How did this happen? Is it so fast that GitHub's timeline is just out of order? No, that's from 15 minutes ago. Well, now I'm just confused. We're gonna do this over from the beginning, just because something happened there that I don't quite exactly know what happened. NK Mason, thank you for the tier 1 sub with 6 months in advance. Fancy. Welcome to Subdom. Appreciate your support and welcome. Alright, let's try this again. Great new branch. We're gonna call it Head. Spooky branch name. Any candy here? I feel like my throat's getting scratched. Some candy. Oh, where did these come from? Candy! Cough drops. So, blink. Oh, I got it in the bowl. Yeah. Yogurt? It looks like a yogurt. Oh, fancy. Franche candy? Is Ricola Franche? Yeah, I think it's Swiss. Although they speak French there. One of their official languages. Did I bring enough to share? I don't know. Do we have like 6 people in the chat? No, we got 96. Not enough to share, sadly. Why isn't the Switch running on the side day? Because we have to actually write the code for it. But we'll be getting to that, Meat Sauce. We haven't finished the actual bits yet. Yay! It fixed it. Okay, cool. Cool. Very cool. I called dibs. Alright. I don't know how I'm gonna get you, I don't know how I'm gonna send you, cough drop. No, I'm not gonna do that. What is this branch for? Oh. Oh no. Oh no. Is this a reference to Aaron Carter? He died? Yeah, he did. Rip. Oh, he does not look at all like I remember. Had a face tattoo. Oh. Anyway. You're in Belgium? It's not that far away? I'll just post it. No, don't post your address in chat. Don't do that. It's not the thing to do. Hand delivery? Yeah, let me just pop over to Belgium and hand you a Swiss cough drop. It's because you remember Come Get It Aaron Carter, not old as fuck Aaron Carter. Yeah. Or not actually dead Aaron Carter. Ooh, what game are you playing today? Oh. Wasn't the usual sushi? Oh, there's a croc. Oh, what the fuck? The fuck? It's to bait crocs? Because you're a masturbator? Me too! Not on stream though. That's how I get banned. You're a croc masturbate? You masturbator with crocs? Damn! Those are some really slow crocs. Yeah? Amusing. Amazing. Manana says, I think I'm gonna order pizza for today. What pescatarian friendly one should I take? Cheese? Cheese with shroomies? Cheese with shroomies is what we usually get. Yeah. Do they have Detroit style pizza in Franchland? I mean they where did I go? They did in Italy, which is should have been a crime, right? We don't have nada pizza? Them's fighting words. Ah, I see the bot has been dutifully updating this. Blaze pizza? Wasn't that the one you were talking about, Tina? Yeah. Chipotle pizza. Huh. Neat. Speaking of the Chipotle pizza, are you familiar with this company, The Melt? So the interesting thing about The Melt is they started as a tech startup, but then pivoted to fast food grilled cheese, semi-automated grilled cheese. They're actually not bad if you're out late looking for some grilled cheese. But it looks like an overload of grilled cheese. Yeah. Joe Holdo, thank you for the resub, been 42 months. Good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. And I appreciate your continued support. What the fuck were they doing before they made grilled cheese? I don't remember. But I remember going to... Oh, fuck off. The Melt, not Melt, The Melt. Fuck. Maybe if I go here and it'll be in the disambiguation. What the fuck is this? What is SCO? Is there not a Wikipedia article for The Melt? Huh. Hold on. I feel like I had been lied to in being told that with Detroit style pizza, the sauce is placed on top of the cheese and toppings. No, that's Chicago. That's different. Doing fine, good to hear. Did they start in a restaurant software business? I don't think so. I think they were doing something completely different. Melt equals might extract load transform. Yes, of course. And server farm cooling discovered cheese is a better coolant than water? I don't think so. I wonder if Forbes talks about it. They actually sell more burgers than grilled cheese. What? Blah 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 blah. Huh. I wonder if this little anecdote is just like lost to the ether now. Hmm. Shrugs. Anyway. Apparently they made a machine that can create the perfect grilled cheese in 45 seconds. That's fucking sick. That's insane. This is potentially going to break people, so I think I'll release it in a minor version. I still need to review that one. For you. Oh. This, yes, of course. Cool. Looks good. Rakai's heading out. Well, thank you for stopping by. Tech over taste was no recipe for success at the Melt. 2017. Grilled cheese happiness motto. Grilled cheese sadness. Oh, I see. Yeah, they were a June oven. I thought they were something completely different though. Might have even been the second or third idea. Drugs. Bogey says, how are you enjoying Live at Century? It's okay. I do what I do. A George Foreman grill for grilled cheese, something like that. Ezekiel says, how many shinies do you have now, or do you have them all? Well, according to my spreadsheet, I basically have them all. But there's a few that I can catch wild caught that I haven't wild caught them yet. 14 possible wild caught shinies. I'm currently trying to get this one and these ones. You'll notice that these are also over here. And we're gonna be working on these ones today. The script for those. But we're gonna have to do battle AI, which is tricky. And of course there are some that are uncatchable. Like some of them have never been released as shiny. Like these legendaries. Oh, and there's some at the bottom that I just haven't added in yet. I should probably do that. Maybe I'll do that later. Enjoying work as much as anyone can enjoy work? Yeah. Basically. Okay, so we gotta wait for this to get to dev. Deploy the rest of the way. That's all done. I want to see if there's anything else worth releasing here. Yeah, that one we could probably do in a minor release. Okay, let's do that. Let's do that. My least favorite part of open source. Well, second least favorite part. $2024. 324. Right. Features. Use a TTY for Docker and Docker image hooks when color is specified. 223.122 PR by Lemon 3122. Bum, 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 and then fix fail fast individual hooks failing her here by me should be 67, but I don't think it is. Oh, it is 3167. Cool. All hooks before. Scrolled over. Sometimes he's a bit much for his own good. It's another a pseudo. It's that's a sleepy boy. How do you decide when you'll up the minor or the patch version? Is it always clear? It's not always clear. Technically, this could be considered a bug fix. Technically, this could be considered a bug fix, and so, this could have just been a patch version. I tend to lean on bigger bumps when doing things. Technically, this is an incompatible breaking change, so this could even be the major version, but I don't like. It's always a debate between considering a behavior to be a bug versus changing the behavior intentionally. This I'm considering to be a bug. I don't know. It's it's different. It's not always cut and dry. He didn't share the candy, it's true. Da, 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 370. Using Thunder Power, which is deprecated. I don't give a fuck. Still works, so still gonna use it until it stops working. Yes. My token. Lample, hello, hello. Welcome back. What is Gidad-U? Check out this video where it goes into details about the wonders of Gidad-U. Might even be my favorite git command. Feels like major bump typically aligns with breaks majority of users, minor bump aligns with breaks some users' new opt-in features. Yeah. More strict adherence would be any break in behavior would be a major bump, but no. You're taking advantage of a bug, it feels like it's not actually a behavior. Recently discovered Gnad-P. Yeah, Gnad-P is pretty good. Zip app make 370. Oh, I wonder if the PyYAML org ever said anything about being deleted. Did anything actually ever happen here? 5 days ago, last week, 2 weeks ago? When was that actually? 4 months ago. Joke issue, attempting to write the most complex YAML. Weird. Error building libyaml ancient. And a duplicate, of course. Weird. Don't know what happened. All I'll say is I hope no one ever uses gitadd.-f. Oh. Yeah, that's happened at work before. I thought the -f meant fast. Oh no, stockfish. Oh no, no, no. No, 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 no. Oh, we're still. Oh, we're into dev now. To prod, we go. Seven zero. Previous tag auto? What the fuck is this? Nah, fuck that noise. There's no way it's gonna be good. No, 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 no. 370. Did someone do that? Got a PR approved to merge into a mainline branch? The worst. Yeah. Yeah, we had a file in some repo that was like intentionally read-only, and so it got git ignored, which is not really what you want to do, but shrugs. And then someone was like, I want to change this file, so the gitadd-f, and then the reviewer was clueless, and then everything. Jerry Tom, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. The generic release notes just indexes all PRs in that time frame. Yeah, it probably makes sense, but there's no way that it's good. Anyway. That is done. That is done. And now it's Pokemon's time. But I'm gonna fill up my water and take a little stretch. So I'll be right back. I'll see you in a sec. Hello, we're back. Outdated version has resubbed at 45 months, 41 in a row. Good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. And surprise, you're here not right when I'm ending. I'm not ending. No, we got things to do. But it's good to see you again, and I hope you're doing well. Oh, we had a spammer. Annoying. What do? Right. Controller stuff, and we gotta turn on the switch do. I don't even remember what we were working on before. But let's get this hooked up and see if we can figure out what we're doing. We're trying to automate tera raid battles again. And I think we were working on identifying the stars before. Yeah. Connect to the internet. But I seem to remember that I was writing a little pattern that I keep using over and over and over to check on what images match a bunch of other images. And I think we can do better and abstract that out somehow. So let's see. What is this? Oh, I remember this. This was real fun. So it was hard to explain. But basically, I was on a screen where a dude could spawn anywhere on the screen, and so I was trying to find the best place where they could be and walk towards them. So that's what this is, but not what I was looking for. See, that's weird because I'm pretty sure. Oh. I'm pretty sure we do the same pattern. This pattern here. Looping through a bunch of sprites and finding the best difference. Maybe we look for this. That's just one image. That's one image also. Same. Oh, this is whether it's not a Tera Pokemon or not. Okay, so maybe we don't do this pattern. Yeah. Okay, but anyway, let's copy this over to here. I guess we should probably just do here. And this should really be that, I think. Yeah, we need to figure this out. Oh, I have this from before. Oh, nice. This is good. But I have got some of these. And it's missing some others. Let me get out my Golem Alola. I don't know what number that is. Golem Alola. We need Porygon Z. Porygon Dash Z. Bastiodon, Rampardos. I know that these are 4-star only. And I know that this is 5 and 6. I don't know what this one is. I think it's also 5 and 6. Mama, we already have. Mousehold 3, 4. Did we name them the same? Mousehold Dash, Family 3. Yep. Cerulege. And Amarouge. At Arboliva. These ones can be in event raids, but I'm not gonna be, they're not event raids currently. Tinkaton. Oh, we don't need Rabska anymore. I got that one. Tinkaton, Palafin, but we're also doing Finizen because it's the same sprite. Baxcalibur and Diplin. Okay, so I gotta figure out what stars Alolan Golem is in. Jeez. Farmer who doesn't want to farm says, "What are we building right now?" And then the bot showed up. Good job, bot. 6-star only. Okay. Cool. Dark Sharks, thank you for the sub with Prime. Welcome, welcome. And Nora tries, welcome Raiders. Thank you for the raid, Nora. Do I have my command here? There we go. Nice. How was your stream? What were you up to? Now I'm interested to know how the bot works. So you'll notice down below me there's a switch there, and I can press buttons via a microcontroller, which I can't hold it up, so you'll just have to see my picture of it. Nintendo microcontrollers. Yes, this is a little microcontroller. This plugs into the switch, this plugs into my computer, and I can send commands. I can also read the screen and do computer vision against it and decide on what to do. For instance, I think, I'm not sure how much is hooked up. Let's see what happens if I just run this. Scripts.sv.read specific. We didn't mount the camera. This is webcam. This guy. Lars, hello, hello, welcome, welcome. I am the briefcase says, hello, alien keyboard user. It's true. Darkshock says those alerts are awesome. Yeah, they're based on the output of the output of a tool I wrote called pre-commit. Oh, we already have this already here. So, for instance, when you commit, oh dang it. When you commit, it'll run tools like this. But yeah, or they'll all be skipped. But anyway, it's based on the output of that, and that's the idea with that. Let's see if we run this. It should. Yeah, it should get most of the way through this. Oh, dang! Yeah, we still have to wait a little bit longer on this screen. I thought they fixed the bug there, but I guess not. There's a real bug in the game there where things are just not interactable. Like you can't press A until a certain amount of time. Which is really annoying, but Okay, this was a bad demo. Let's back out and try it again. Let's show the demo once more. Where pre-commit I use it at work. Oh, well, I made it. That's cool. All right, so let's try this again. I should open this up. Open that up. Scroll down to tera after it waits for the sprite to load. Go. Tera. Waits for this to show up. And then it should identify the 8 Pokemon there. Root Bonnet, Iron Hands, Frostmoth, Golem, Alolan Muck. Wow. Very precise. Ninetales, Flareon, and Goodra. And then it crashed. This is the capture card crashing. Not good. Weird. We're just gonna ignore that and hope it's not a problem. Select timeout. Is using disallowed programming languages and they're not memory safe? Yeah, I mean it's not. Yeah, I can't really control CV's nonsense there. Okay, so anyway, we're porting over the stars code into here. Extract that. Detect raid Pokemon. So make a little function here, best, and it's going to take crop, and then candidates, which is going to be a list tuple stir numpy.nd. Okay. And it's going to return a stir. What's he missing? Best name. Fine. Okay, so if it's that, otherwise. Best crop and right spites. Yeah, let's try that. Back that out again. We also need to figure out the star count too. So we'll do that in a sec. This will actually be list of tuple stir or none. I guess we could just call it stir. Yeah, we can just call it stir. Because we can just format the key, which is why I formatted these like this. So this will just be the key. Could you just ensure the frame isn't invalid before IM show? Well, typically it's not actually showing this. This is just while we're debugging it. I could, but it should never get into that state unless there's a hardware problem. And I'd rather it crash on a hardware problem than continue with it being potentially wrong. Iron Hands, Fruit Bonnet, Frigraph, Porygon 2, Greedent, Frigraph again, and then Dreadnought, and then none. Cool. That looks good. That looks good. Maratanio, welcome, welcome. How you doing? Okay, so let's do the stars next. Sprite equals best crop sprites. We gotta get the star crop too. It's here. Sprite Y and Sprite X. Yeah. Curious about what you're programming. Well, if you bang today, you can figure it out. We're trying to automate raid battling in Pokemon with Python. We actually need the original frame for that. Oh. I do not like typing the word sprite over and over. We're gonna do this. Although sprite and stars both start with S. Huh. Huh. Oh, what do? Also, I probably don't need to call it mask 2 because we don't ever use the original mask. You can call it poke. Yeah. Oh, also, yeah. Okay, stars. Okay, so we need to get the star Y, which is 312 plus 267 times UY, and star X, 60 plus 240 times P. Actually, these stars comes first. The frame. Four and star X plus 200. Okay, so let's try this now. Star. So let's try this. Back out of this. And run it again. Sitting there next to the hyper training man as he flexes uncomfortably. Okay. Who's that Pokemon? It's Iron Hands 7 event. Well, that's not right. Why did it think this one was 7? Well, that's annoying. Let's try and figure out. How is 7 even an option? It is. There are 7-star raids. I think in fact we had one. Yeah, like this is what the 7-star one looks like. In fact, I got really lucky with the screenshot in that it has basically all of them except for the 5-star one. So I'm actually gonna have it write out these images, and then that'll help us debug them, I guess. And then hope it reproduces again, because we're just sort of dealing with haphazardness. But I might have to do something with I don't know why it would be so different. Damn it. Can never remember whether it's I am right or I am save. Oh, there's actually a Pokemon that I want there. Oh well. Skip it. The hyper trained man's just flexing. Yeah, it picked 7 again. Yay. That very much looks like 5. Oh, right. Right, I forgot. So it's really hard to see. It's really hard to see, but this is slightly bigger than this one here. So we actually need to move the cursor over here probably. Like you can see that it wiggles a little bit there. Yeah, so we have to move the cursor over to here probably. And then it'll detect this properly. Yeah, I forgot about that. It's really annoying. I wonder, I wonder if the shit. My screenshot of the 7-star one has the has it embiggened. Damn it. I wonder if this one had it. No, these are all 5. Damn. Okay. Lag commentator, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Okay, so I'm just gonna delete the 7-star, and I'll have to get a screenshot of that when a new event comes along. Scripts SV raids stars 7 event. Oh, and I wonder if this is the wrong sized one. This is slot 01 though, right? That's... Yeah, we have the wrong one here. This needs to be this image. Oh wait, no, this is the wrong one. This is the right one? Yeah, that looks right. So we have the right, we've saved the right one for 5 event. I'm actually gonna move this so it's a shorter name because the thing was wrapping. Can you determine how much it moves? It also, yeah, it also stretches too, so I can't. I will have to just wait for another event to come along, but that's fine. There won't be 7 stars until the next big parade event happens, so I don't actually have to worry about it. It's just a little bit annoying. Okay, so what do I need to do? I need to move the cursor over to the link code thing. And really we have like a few states here. So see how in the bottom right, there's this check for new postings. This is what we have to wait for when we don't get a match that we want. So I'm actually going to have this go into another state where this happens. Oh. Hello? Why is this not quitting? Oh, because it was crashing. I see. Don't I need to press A? Yes. Yes, I do. Yeah. Let's actually do that in raid select. Wait, press A, detect. Something like that. So we call detect up here. We actually don't want this to be a frozen set. Actually, I want this to be in priority order. I'm going to put the ones that I want to get the most at the top. Basically just ordering them by relative rarity that I've seen before and or the easier raids. These raids are really hard. Easy. And the golem is pretty. And I don't super care about getting Porygon Z because I'm also trying to get it in Legends Arceus at the moment. Okay, so these are in order, so this is not Frozen set. Spitfire, I have a video about this. Okay. So I basically want to pick the best match of these from these. I don't care about it being particularly performant. Let's see. There's like x dot index and x dot find. That one, oh, maybe it's not find. We're not in list. Try. Index error? No, it's value error. Fuck. I did it dumb. Oh, and I lost all this down here too. Shit. Clabato says, what are we doing today? Why did that not trigger the bot? Oh, what we are doing. Oh, this is not grammatical. Yeah, that would explain it. What are today? Yeah, basically. Type optional none, right? Technically it would succeed, but better to be typing is assigned to but never used. That is true. Okay, let's try that. I think we're pretty unlikely to actually get it to choose something, so don't know that this will actually give us the result that we want. Like, it'll probably say empty string -1, -1. I don't think we're gonna find a Pokemon that we actually want. Oh, that was strange. Oh, we probably need to wait after doing that. Ribbons, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Yeah, we didn't actually get any of the Pokemon that we wanted. It's fine. So let's actually put a little wait there. Inexpensive! Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Okay. So, in the detection, we have to pick what Pokemon we get. And the position. Jitterlings tend to be Mangoose faster in CPython. Why is this not the case with PyPy? It is the case with PyPy. PyPy is way fucking faster than CPython on pure lib code. Isn't it like 1 to 2 times faster? No, it's usually like 60 times faster. Polar Particle says, you're just awesome. Learned something interesting from your do not use localhost video. Ah, neat. Yep, that is one that keeps coming up over and over in my career, surprisingly. I'm glad I profiled it at Yelp, or at Lyft, and then made a pretty big change to our service latency. But welcome to stream, Solar Particle. Hey, that seems good. Oops. So now that we've picked a Pokemon, we either wait for what's the default timeout as well. We either wait for this little blue thing to show up, 420. Okay, that's plenty of time. Why are we trying to join the raid? So we do otherwise we have to navigate to that. Let's implement navigate to raid. Drunk Time Lord, hello, hello, how you doing? Navigate to raid. We have our pause. In order to get to that, we need to. Well, the easiest way to do it is to press right once. Press right. Drunk Time Lord, thank you for the resub at 37 months. It's good to see you again. That is 4, 5 plus 8, 16, 32. Yep, checks out. That's 37 in binary. Spitfire says, on the side, installing packages using pip and pypy tends to often require building the wheel oneself rather than downloading as a pre-built. Is there a solution here? There are pre-built wheels for pypy in some cases, but it is much more common to target pre-builts at CPython, just because it's easier to build them, I guess. It's just kind of how it goes. Let's see, for this in range, chosen pause 0. Press S. I guess we could do the X first. Yeah, we could do the X first, and then we could just say +1. Yeah, that'll work. That'll work. You have a function called do. It's actually very useful. It's a compositor. It takes a bunch of actions and returns a new action by just looping through all of them. Rather than having to do each action separately. Compose, yeah, but that's longer to type out. And I use it all over the fucking place, so I wanted to be real short. It's better that way, trust. Okay, navigate to raid. And it also is nice when you need to do nothing. You just call it with nothing. Press. Okay. I kind of want to flip this around. Yeah, this is fine. Feels like you need a nothing function just to be more verbose. Sometimes it do be like that, yeah. Yeah, I mean, we could just do... We could do that. But yeah. I need an action factory? I mean, that's kind of what this is. This takes an action and returns more actions. These are all kind of action factories. Or this is a matcher factory, actually. A little bit different. Nothing equals lambda do, yeah. Okay, let's hopefully we get to actually test this code at some point. No binding for non-local chosen. What? Oh, I forgot to put... Oh, I'm dumb. I did this backwards. Pause is not defined. Spelling? Doobie doobie doo, yeah. Don't, yeah. Don't. Okay, let's try this again. What language features from other language do you want to see in Python? I would rather Python stop trying to poorly implement other languages' features. To be honest. Wait for portal. Oh. Yeah, this is gonna be a problem if my capture card keeps crashing. So we'll just fight through it, but yeah, like I feel like pattern matching has no place in Python. Assignment statements make it way too fucking easy to write shitty code. Some of the typing stuff is nice, some of it is not so nice. Okay, so didn't find anything to target. That's good. I guess we can implement this wait for new thing instead. Solar Particle says there way to stream to YouTube simultaneously. I cannot stream to YouTube simultaneously due to my contract, but my VODs do end up on YouTube. So if you want to find those, they are up on YouTube. They're no longer on Twitch because of DDL's beat me to it. Okay, but I'm gonna wait for this to turn blue so that I can get a screenshot. But yeah, that's gonna take 2 minutes, so bear with me. And the nice thing about pressing X here is it moves the cursor back over here, so we gotta move it back over here again. So at least we'll be able to reuse our states here, which is nice, at least. It's a little concerning that my capture card seems to be dying, though. Yeah. I'm off by 1 pixel. Oh, okay, cool. Got this now. Now we can find the colors here. Nope, they're always the same. Looks like it. Yeah, we'll just pick one right here. Wait for new. If it matches that pixel, then we will wait for... I think we have to wait for like 2 seconds before doing it. Let's try wait 1. Press X, and then wait for... I don't know, 2 seconds. And then go to read select. You see the pep, the read only pep. Oh, are we getting const correctness in Python now? Oh, this is for type ticks. Yeah, it kind of needs this. Because right now, the variance on type ticks is all over the place. But really, people should just make fucking classes instead of ticks. Dicks are the problem. Albadim, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. Using a close paren? Oh yeah, true. True. Might as well not use typetick at this point. I mean, yeah, I think typetics are they're nice for some things, but at this point, that's I think that's a little too much. Like at that point, just write a class. Or use a name tuple. Okay. Try this. Oh, we should make it not super busy. Wait. My class when I can dict? Yeah. I mean, dictionaries are maybe fine if you're the only person ever working on it and you know what it's always going to contain, or if it's a uniform dictionary. But having worked in an absolutely massive code base where not everyone knows what's going on all the time, always. Oh, it's gonna crash. Capture card crashed again. So annoying. Maybe it'll come back. No. Yelp main was a giant bag of dicks. And it was impossible to know what anything contained ever, and people would just like stuff random things into them all the time, and so you really had no idea what was going on. It was just an absolute mess. There's a few places in Sentry that have the same problem. Like there's this Snuba params dictionary that's sometimes just called params, and oh, that one is all over the place. Let's see. Eggy, Mandibuzz, Metagross, Sunflora, Quagsire, Executor Alolan, Goodra, and Slowbro Galarian. And the numbers are all right. Yeah, that looks good. Okay, so we'll see if it does the state transition correctly this time. Fun fact, I still have a bot running for the past 7 years. Its database is json.load and json.dump call for every mutation. I mean, it's not terrible. You know, it's one way to build a document start. Oh, it clicked the button and it found new things. Third hand, finished Jolteon, Luxio, Overkill, Ambipom. Cool. Okay, so I feel like this part's working all right. What do I have to do next? Next, we have to do the actual raid. And I sort of wrote logic for this already. Oh, actually, extract type. Oh, huh. We actually do a different way of finding the best match here. Is this 6-star middle finger in position 02? This is Sinistcha. Yeah. Oh. Capture card crashed. Damn, that sucks. So annoying. What am I gonna do about that? Buy a new one. 16 when I wrote didn't know SQL existed. I mean, it's not terrible. If it works, then it works. Okay, what did we do here? Grade select. This is just clicking random. And then there's a million error messages. And then the raid logic. There's actually not that much here. Looks like a 6-star middle finger to me. Yeah. Yeah. It's basically what it is, yeah. I already got this one shiny. I haven't got both forms shiny, which is nice. Huh, okay. So for the raids we have another problem. Which is that I only have a few different raid Pokemon. And they all have varying logic. I order them in a way that is sense. And which ones I can actually use in battles. Some of them, the strategy is super easy. Like superior strategy is dead simple. It's just spam one move. But I basically need to teach my AI to use these Pokemon effectively. I guess I can show you the ones that I'm talking about here. Oh, I got Bellybolt, Arceus, Superior, Umbreon, Zapdos. Those are probably the ones I'll use. Probably won't be using Mewtwo. Just because it's one, not that good, and two, more complicated to use. Outdated version says I keep waiting for some pop punk singer to start from the recurring guitar riff in the song. Yeah, it is kind of that. It is kind of that riff, isn't it? So I kind of need to make strategies for all these, but maybe we try and get it to start the raid first. We also need to figure out the types. We got a lot of stuff to figure out here. Yeah. So let's actually. We need to do the same thing again. Yeah, we need to figure out what Pokemon we're attacking with as well, because we have bad matchups for some stuff. Hey girl, what's your type? Mine's poison because I'm toxic and kill plants. Gryffindor. Thank you for the resub with Prime at 23 months. Currently on a 1-month streak. Okay, alright Twitch. Cool feature. Good to see you again, Gryffindor. Hopefully you're doing well. We're gonna make a little raid.py. It's gonna help us out here. What I need. Got my first winner chicken dinner this week in Fortnite. You a Fortnite gamer? Oh, in PUBG. Oh, neat. That means I'm pro. Use codename Borky Bork at checkout. The real J Sega. Thank you for the follow. Welcome. How you doing? Import tools os.path. Let's format or fix it. And NumPy apparently also. Extract type. Oh god, we got a new theme. Like it became italicized. This theme is very similar to the one. VS Code Dark PP. Italic. I find it interesting that both Black and Yap use their own forks of lib2 Yeah, it's because Python doesn't have a standard BST. I find it interesting that people still use Yap. Yeah, making some mistakes on that one. This is a very strange way that I did this. I feel like I did not know what I was doing here. That's fine. Yap was the only format I could realistically get my team to adopt. It's so slow. It's so slow. We're gonna make this match the other types we're using here. Oh, interesting that we use it like this. We're gonna remove the .pngs on all these. What did I use for the other? Split-xed. Then I'm going scorched earth on my work Java repo. Once I get time to do it, Oh. Boom. Type sprite stars. How best to expose this? Like this is really just like this could be the function. Pikachu, I have a feeling we're not in Pallet Town anymore. Yeah. Yeah. Yeah, so let's just do that. Need select Pokemon. Maybe we just take this whole function. Yeah, maybe we just take the whole function. Wolfred, how you doing? Welcome, welcome. Been a bit. Yeah, let's just do raid Pokemon. Sister or none. Copy the whole damn thing. And we'll get rid of the printing here. And our debugging. We do actually want that printing though, but not here. It has? How are you? I'm doing alright. I thought you left us for Tina. Gave me the stinkiest eyeballs. Oh no. I'm streaming right now. Does that mean I'm leaving you for stream? Yeah. I don't think those things are mutually exclusive. Right? 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 Oh no, look what you've done, Wilfred. Do you think switching to no-guild Python will have a long tail like 2 to 3 did? It definitely has the potential to do that, yeah. Bright stars best. All be gone. I didn't know she was in the room. She's hiding. Okay, so this is one thing that we want. We also need to figure out the raid type. This one. Yeah. Streamer Wolfred, it's always been Wolfred. Belwada, hello, how you doing? Woos is also here. Good to see you both again. Wait, Woosa, you've been here all stream. Why am I saying hi to you again? Oh, because you got the playlist. There we go. Okay. This is for switching the raid Pokemon. I don't even think this works anymore. Magikarp memory? No, I was just slowly reading through chat. Have you not streamed in a month, or I just missed stream? I streamed last week, but then I was in Canada and then sick. There was a 2.5 week gap in there. Pokemon Lo-Fi? Yeah. I gotta be careful with DMCA already, so I don't know that I'm gonna do it again. Canada makes sick, yeah. This should move up next to the actual functions it cares about. This is not a good way to do this, but it's gonna be good enough for now. Yeah. Raid appear. Oh, I see. This is how we check whether it has started or not. Is there a vendor that licenses playlists that are definitely okay to stream on Twitch and YouTube? Yes and no, but sometimes. So the problem, specifically with the playlist that I'm using, but others have the same problem. Although the songs in this playlist are copyright free, they often sample from other stuff or other things samples from these, and then the content ID will pick up on that. So end up getting screwed one way or another. Yeah. Okay, so what do we know now? Um, 10 school. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. What step are we at? We have picked the raid. We need to pick the Pokemon next. Wait for raid. I think we have that in the old script. For raid select. That's that thing. Raid select. Wait for raid. This is all of the error messages that can happen. We're not doing a random raid. An error has occurred. Please try again. Please try again. Please start again from the beginning. Communication with the other trainer. All these fucking error messages. My keyboard and mouse is so sticky. Did you spill something, Wolfred? Wahub, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. What happened? This is that thing. Raid stripe position. I think we're not going to try and do this. I think we're going to do text match instead. Raid appeared. Okay. Let's see what that looks like. I'm just going to hop into a raid and get a screenshot. Oh, actually, maybe... Do I have a screenshot already? Got this. No, we don't have a screenshot. Okay. Drainyard, thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. Hopefully you're doing well. I had jelly on my sandwich this morning and now I'm fucked. I ate in the dark. Oh no. Did you ever finish the CV stuff I was working on 20 months ago? No, I did not. I did not try and train a model yet. I haven't looked at that at all. Yeah. I just know it's a lot of work, so I haven't even thought about it. I don't care about any of these, so let's just pick the easiest one. You might even have to click random. You've been busy on GitHub? It's just closing issues. But yeah, a little bit busy. But pride, cool. This is actually going to be useful because it's going to help us get another error message out of the way. Or two. When this fails. Every time I say pre-commit config.yaml, I think of you. I mean, that makes sense. Okay, this is helpful. Let's do this directly. Text. that's actually useful. Actually get it into a raid. Baby raid. Nami, hello, welcome. Ogimora, welcome to the stream. Have you considered doing a reaction video to Theo's rant? No, we don't talk about Theo here. His entire platform is trying to say stupid fucking shit to get people mad, and then it turns out when you post dumb takes, then people watch your shit. And so he's just a self flame warring cesspool of toxicity. And yeah, I'm not gonna help him get more of a shit-eating platform. His entire claim to fame is that he worked at Twitch for 6 months or something, and then spends the rest of his life just shitting on everything he's done. Which I mean, what's it gonna do though? We're just gonna click rant. Hopefully get one. Starting Wolfred, thank you for the resub at 17 months. Good to see you again. But yeah. If you're gonna rant about not having code quality, surprise, surprise, your code's probably shit. You join a random, yeah. We're just trying to get the. Maybe he has X Twitch on his LinkedIn. Into a raid. And we're going to screenshot this. Yeah, I think this will be helpful. And I can just use any of the texts on here, probably. I think of a good name for this. Alright, we're actually just gonna play this right. This will be real quick. No, I don't care about the particular Pokemon. But I want to not waste their time. Come on, Zach, press A. Yeah, I don't care about his take, Spitfire. He's an idiot. Like, please stop spreading his message. Does selecting an option change the text in any way that would concern you? I don't think so. There's a little connecting thing up at the top, which is helpful. We're on homebrew console? No, this is a real Nintendo Switch. I am automating it with code. Yeah. But right now we're just doing it a little bit manually so that I can collect some screenshots and stuff. Apparently half of its health is already gone. Cool. I guess it's a 4-star raid. These die pretty quickly. It'd be great if I didn't get flinched, but yeah, I'm gonna be relatively useless in this battle because every time I go to attack, it seems like this Tyranitar just interrupts. Yeah. Wilder, welcome. Stouff, welcome to the stream. Wilder's spending all the channel points to unlock the emotes. Cheap, aren't they? Dead yet? Yay. Yeah, so the other part of this is going to be building an AI that can do what I just did, but not being me. Oh, my capture card crashed again. So annoying. What's the command explaining the switch? There's the one that's on screen. All right, so ready up. Okay, so I can pick probably any of these things here. Gambling? I don't know if we've had anything to gamble on. How's work been? It's okay. There's always things that can be better and things that can be worse, but I think we're gonna use this text here. How's your mental health after receiving that beautiful keyboard? In the box. I put it in the box. I haven't touched it since. Yeah. Oh, I wonder if the event raids have like a different background here. Hopefully not. Hopefully it's good enough. Okay. Keep editing this in other windows and then regretting. Okay, so we got the you weren't able to join. I have a friend who shall remain nameless who tried to sell me theirs. so fun story about that, Wolford. Someone tried to sell theirs on Reddit, and the founder found the Reddit post, and like, oh, Kramer was so pissed. He was so mad. But I don't know if anything actually happened of it. But what keyboard are we talking about? Let's see if I can find it. I don't even know how I'm gonna find it. There was our work gave us keyboards. I guess I could just go and get the damn box. But work sent us this really heavy mechanical keyboard that I will re-unbox. Ooh, unboxing, but again. So damn heavy keyboard. Very fancy mechanical keyboard. That some employees tried to resell on the internets. Show that off. I can put it away now. So that's the keyboard we're talking about. Century keyboards are going on eBay for 2,000 in a couple of years. There's no way. Although I do have a friend who their like hobby is to try and collect specific tech swag from companies. He would really love this. He would probably pay 2,000 for this on eBay. Gonna be like selling Jordans, yeah. Working in the office, people sometimes don't close their machines when going to lunch. I prank them and change their key layout to Hungarian. Nice. We had a thing like that at Yelp, although it's called goading. And what you would do is open up their email and send a goat to the entire company, an image of a goat. Yeah. And so one time the CEO left his computer unlocked, and so I sent a goat as the CEO to the entire company. It's supposed to encourage like good practices with locking your machine when you walk away, but yeah. You don't need a curse this bonus, take this keyboard instead. Kind of what happened. Why some people were less unhappy about it. Oh. You'd also found somebody in the Toronto office showing off the keyboard. Basically where they're standing is actually where I sat in the Toronto office last time I went. Oh wait, no, maybe this is flipped. No, I think this is right. See these things on the floor? The plugs on the floor? These are really fucking annoying. They sit like 2 inches off the ground and they're just like a box on the floor. And you trip over them all the time. Big pain in the ass. But yeah. Or caging them, install a browser extension that replaces all images with Nick Cage pics. That sounds great. At our work, if you left your machine unlocked, people would send an email saying you're bringing in donuts tomorrow. Nice. Trip get rich? True. I guess you could workers comp. Didn't know you used both of these nuts. Thank you for the resub, Shaz, at 43 months. It's good to see you again. I hope you're doing well. And I appreciate your continued support. Got him! True. Invincible Mark, hello, hello. Welcome, welcome. Okay, anyway, what were we doing? I was pasting this back in here. And then we were grabbing this, because that means the raid actually opened. Implement is determined but spelled correctly. Oh, exactly the right number of characters. I almost asked what Bofa was. Sapphire's checking out. Well, thank you for stopping by. I've only set my coworker's unlock computer to light mode. Oh, what am I sucking on? It's candy. It's a cough drop. That sounded bad. What are you munching on? Yeah, not much better. Miscolored, hello, hello. How you doing? It wasn't clear to me. Was the keyboard in lieu of an anticipated cash bonus or just a nice gesture? It was just a nice gesture. But I think many people would have rather had something else. Yeah. Anthon on type racer at 130 words per minute, no mistakes. Anthon typing video, 4 spelling mistakes. Yeah. It's true. Doing well. Good to catch you live again. Yeah, it has been a bit, Miss Colored. It's good to see you. Okay, where is my thing for this? Type. So print. Oh, I have to press A here, right? Usually just make our coworkers type their own lunch in MS Teams on their unlocked devices. Oh, Teams. Oh no. And former employees is WebEx. Yeah, I've used WebEx before. Oof. Just in general, do you use an ORM? I don't want to cause a war or anything, but I finally can choose my stack for a new project and think if it's worth using one or another cumbersome dependency. I think ORMs can be valuable if you're planning to work on a team, because generally you can't really write all of your queries and expect everyone to maintain those forever. 9E6E EYKY. Thank you for the follow. Welcome, welcome. WebEx is elite in WebEx. Zithrius! Me when I win the honestly. It's true. Thank you for the resub at 35 months. Good to see you again. I hope you're doing well, and I appreciate your continued support. New hash just dropped? Yeah. Okay. So, try this again. And hope my capture card doesn't crash again. I don't know why it's been so bad today. Friend is just here for the talk with me. Yeah. Oh, capture card crashed. Great. Off to a great start. All that for me. Ugh, so annoying. Yeah, Kevin hasn't been here in a while, but I also haven't been streaming consistently or on the day that Kevin can show up, so. It's not on Kevin, it's on me. He was still around a couple streams ago, though, so. Okay, none of those are targets we want. Now it waits. Definitely not going to crash in the 120 seconds that it has to wait for the box to change color. Gonna crash again. Almost certainly going to crash again. Yeah, it crashed again. Damn. You have a bone to pick with me. I wonder if I can, I wonder if I can do this. And then it won't try and render the frame. Tailbone? Iron Hands, this jaw, Hypno, Skarmory, none. So it might still crash here. Might still crash here. But I wonder if it can recover. Nope, the answer is no. Fuck. So annoying. Well, time to buy another capture card, I guess. I got rejected in an interview because I used SQLite and SQL Alchemy on their take-home? What the fuck? Why would they not? Who would be What did they want instead? But yeah, you dodged a bullet. There was a knowledge gap? Gap D's nuts. Yeah, basically. That's nuts. Wait, why did it? Oh. It saw the X way sooner than I did. I guess the reset is working. That's cool. Orthworm, Leafeon, Haxorus, Metagross, Mimikyu. Okay. That's working well so far. Kyoshi, hello. How you doing? Ogimara says, how does it work? I've got this little microcontroller, and it pretends to be sort of a wired pro controller. It's not exactly, but and this end is plugged in my computer, so I send serial commands to this. My little microcontroller reacts to that and then sends the right data frames to the switch. And then there's a capture card that can read the screen that's happening down there. Easy Light, hello, how you doing? Luther says, do you containerize projects with Docker/Podman when deploying to production? It depends. Depends a lot. At work, yes, everything is containerized. Well, most things are containerized at work. Personal projects, it really depends. Like if I'm just doing Lambda, there's a lot of downsides to doing a container for Lambda, and there's, you know, it's almost better to just do it locally. Yeah, it's gonna crash again. Fuck. Not everything in like my apps that I run in production are Dockerized. It really depends on like how it's being run. But it works with Elf Magic and Jupiter Energy. I didn't know Sentry started as a Jenga plugin. Yep, that was the origin story there. Died already? For local development, do you just use VM? Yeah. It's normal virtualized. This is really annoying without a function capture card, so I might just stop here. Yeah, I don't think I put it in a playlist specifically, so it's not let's see, if you do Anthony Writes Code Poetry, I think you'll find it. Yeah. Like half the reason is the fuckery they did with the random failure, but there's also the aspect of poetry just kind of being the wrong choice in some cases. Do I have 2 capture cards? No, this capture card gets doubled. And I tried to debug it before, and the doubling is what crashes. It's like some weird thing between the VirtualBox driver and the actual capture card. I wonder if it's the screen resolution thing again, because it is downsampling it. I wonder if I change it back to not downsampling, maybe it'll just work. Me when Pippin Virtual is working just fine. Well, time to switch solutions entirely. Yeah. I've only used PDM. PDM used to have like a real dumb way of doing things and like this crazy pep of a bunch of local code and arbitrary code execution stuff, which was never really gonna fly. I heard they recently switched to just making virtual envs again, which at that point, what's the point? Like just use a virtual env. D. I'm gonna see if changing the screen resolution to 720p, which is what I try and target inside the VM, will make this better. TV settings or something. Settings, resolution. That'll maybe fix this. Because I know the capture card sometimes has trouble if it's trying to do 1080p in one place and 720p in another. Maybe this will fix it. It's not actually the right, so we're gonna. Wilfred says, "What new projects are you starting, Anthong?" I actually don't have. I'm slowly working on my like pre-commit rest thing. It's gonna take forever though. I have some ideas on some stuff, but I don't really want to talk about them yet because they might just go away. Not rest, but roost. Bonnet, Iron Hands, Glysaur, Ampom, King Gambit, Palmy. Ha, it's Palmy. Carbink and Quagsire. Pixie is a con alternative made from the same team that made Mamba. Huh. The one says dumber language than R. I've barely seen, but all people in bioinformatics seem to love it. I hate working in it. Literally makes you rage just trying to contain anything in it. Yeah, R is weird because like it's very centered around having R Studio and working. Oh, Palmy 1 star is up as 3. Yeah, I don't really care anything about anything lower than 1 star. Damn. Okay, well, this also didn't fix it because it's still fucked up. But you want to rewrite it and rest? What's the plan? I want to see what it looks like. Like whether it's mostly around like the distribution mechanism and that Python keeps making a bunch of real stupid changes. But yeah, my Rust pip project is dead. Because what the fuck's the point? I mean, UV doesn't really work, doesn't really replace what I was doing, unfortunately. So I don't know. I just don't feel motivated to work on it because like 98% of it is there, but the last 2% is fucking broken. But yeah, this is frustrating. So I don't know what I'm gonna do here. I'm probably gonna buy a new capture card for the next stream though, because yeah, if I can't do this, then I have one more idea. If I turn off the capture card here, then maybe this will work. But I also can't see it, so this sucks. Maybe this will work. How many pre-commit hooks are too many? Don't look at the what project? The Airflow people. Don't look at their pre-commit config. Oh, Porygon Z. It's actually gonna try and pick one. Oh my god. It's doing it? Maybe? Fuck. Well. Oh, that's not what we want. That's not what we want at all. I gotta play this raid through here though, I guess. Not the right Pokemon to use. And again, this is what the script has to do manually. Oh. Okay. Good to know that this doesn't actually fix the problem either. Yeah, that's annoying. Really annoying. Okay. Oh no, it's 1,200 lines now? JetBrains resharper command line formatter runs like 5 minutes. Oh my god. That's a lot. I guess resharper kind of needs your whole project to do anything useful. Okay, well, apparently I didn't run my Py on a file. Why is my Py not? Oh, I know why. Because LRU cache hides the type here. Which is annoying. Hopefully one day that'll get fixed. Yeah, I'll have a toast. Thank you for the toast. Thank you for the paper and the toast. Oh, almost got peanut butter on my microphone. I was trying to show chat. Look, it's peanut butter toast. Stray Fails! Hello, hello. How you doing? Good to see you again. Yeah, this is gonna be a pain in the butt. One Piece? That's edging? What? Gryffindor says, "Hey Tina, how's captivity?" What? What? How you been? I'm doing alright. Doing alright. Hanging in there. I've been sick for a long time, but feeling better now. This Pokemon's super easy. I just mash one move over and over and over. No milk? What do I need milk? Or in a day without a downpour. Nice. It does rain a lot there, doesn't it? But the wild thing is, there's a measles outbreak in Ann Arbor at the moment. Toast and milk is good. It's got peanut butter on it though. I don't know if the milk might take away from it. Sounds like Michigan. That's okay, Wilfred. We got a whole nother year of Ohio State taking the L, so good. All good. We're gonna be trash next year? Yeah, probably. But until then. This is actually one of the times where my script is gonna do worse, but it's fine. Because the optimal play is to not use the main move I was using there. Is sound only gone? Yeah, I think it's only you. Because it looks fine for me. Was it R not L? Something's beeping. Oh, your headphones died. That would do it. Oh my god, we're gonna lose this? Lame. Oh, it's because that other guy died. Maybe I can do enough damage here to win. I think we lost because the bar disappeared. Unfortunate. Oh, I died. F. Fine. Wasn't a good one anyway. But that answers that. Like, my capture card is just dead, and this is too frustrating to work on. So I'm probably gonna wrap up here. And I will hopefully get a new capture card for the next one. It's so easy. I only need to mash one button. Yeah. Okay. I guess it can be a little bit more complicated than that. But yeah, let me do my little spiel. My name is Anthony. I upload educational content to my YouTube channel at youtube.com/anthonywritescode. So go hang out there. YouTube. Oh, thank you, DDoS. If you missed any part of the stream, those go up on my second channel. At anthonywritescode-vods. Yeah. And I announce my streams on the Discord. So hop in there and join and hang out. Beginner's channel if you want to ask questions. A bunch of other fun social channels as well. That's gonna wrap us up for today. Let's go find someone to raid.